You know that little brown bottle sitting in the back of your medicine cabinet, the one that costs about $1 at the drugstore? Most people only think of hydrogen peroxide for one thing, but I am about to show you 18 genius ways this humble little bottle can replace nearly everything under your kitchen sink. We are talking cleaning sprays, stain removers, garden treatments, laundry whiteners, and so much more, all from one bottle that costs less than a cup of coffee. The cleaning companies definitely do not want you to know about these, because once you learn them, you will never buy half those expensive products again. My grandmother always kept a brown bottle of this under every single sink in her house. At 52, I finally understand just how smart that woman really was. And stick around for number 1, because I guarantee you have never thought to use hydrogen peroxide for that. It honestly blew my mind when I first learned it. But before we start the countdown, there are a couple of very important safety things I need to mention. First, only ever use 3% hydrogen peroxide. That is the standard brown bottle you find at any drugstore or dollar store. Never use the 35% industrial kind. That is far too strong for home use. Second, never mix hydrogen peroxide with vinegar in the same container, and never mix it with bleach or ammonia. Both of those combinations create dangerous fumes you absolutely do not want to breathe. As long as you stick with the regular 3% bottle and follow simple directions, you are completely safe. Now let us get into the countdown. Number 18, deodorize smelly drains. If your kitchen or bathroom drain has that musty, unpleasant smell that just will not go away, pour 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide straight down the drain. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. You will hear it gently fizzing down there. That is the peroxide killing all the odor-causing bacteria. Then flush it with hot water and the smell is completely gone. No need for those $4 or $5 chemical drain deodorizers ever again. I do this about once a week and my drains stay perfectly fresh. It works on bathroom drains too. Number 17, clean and deodorize your entire refrigerator. Spray the inside surfaces of your fridge with hydrogen peroxide or wipe them down with a peroxide-dampened cloth. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then wipe everything clean. It kills the bacteria that cause those stubborn food smells without leaving any harsh chemical residue behind. The FDA actually recognizes hydrogen peroxide as safe for surfaces where food is stored, so you know it is perfectly fine to use around your groceries. That is $4 or $5 you save right there by not buying a specialty fridge cleaning spray. Number 16, sanitize your kitchen sponges. Your kitchen sponge is actually one of the dirtiest things in your entire house. It can harbor millions upon millions of bacteria. Soak your sponges in a bowl of hydrogen peroxide for about 10 minutes. Then squeeze them out and rinse with clean water. This extends the life of each sponge by 2 to 3 times. Instead of replacing them every week, you replace them every 2 or 3 weeks. That adds up to $20 to $40 saved every single year. Number 15, clean and whiten your toilet bowl. Pour half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into the toilet bowl. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. For really tough stains, you can even let it sit overnight. Then scrub with your toilet brush and flush. It disinfects and whitens at the same time, without those harsh bleach fumes that make your eyes water. That is $3 to $6 saved on toilet bowl cleaners. And your bathroom smells so much better without all those chemicals. Number 14, disinfect your high-touch surfaces. Doorknobs, light switches, remote controls, phone cases. These are the things everyone in your household touches dozens of times every single day. Mix equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water in a spray bottle. Spray the surfaces, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and wipe clean. The CDC and the EPA both recognize hydrogen peroxide as an effective surface disinfectant. And unlike chemical sprays, it breaks down into just water and oxygen, no toxic residue at all. $4 to $6 saved on disinfectant sprays, and it is actually safer for homes with children and pets. Number 13, clean glass and mirrors completely streak-free. Mix equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water in a spray bottle. Spray your windows or mirrors and wipe with a lint-free cloth or even a piece of newspaper. It cuts right through greasy fingerprints and that filmy residue that always causes streaking, and it dries completely clean without leaving anything behind. $3 to $5 saved on glass cleaner. And honestly, it works better than most of the expensive ones I have tried. Now we are getting into some really good ones. The next few uses are going to save you even more money, so keep watching. Number 12, disinfect your cutting boards. Spray hydrogen peroxide directly onto your cutting board, whether it is wood or plastic. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Then wipe clean with a damp cloth. It kills E. coli, salmonella, and other harmful bacteria that love to hide in those little grooves and knife scratches. I learned this one the hard way years ago. I used to just give my boards a quick rinse with hot water and call it done. A nasty stomach bug taught me that was not nearly good enough. Rinse the board well before your next food prep and you are good to go. About 15 cents per use instead of $4 to $6 for a kitchen sanitizer spray. Number 11, remove burnt-on food from pots and pans. We have all been there. You turn your back for 1 minute and suddenly you have got a pan caked with burnt food that absolutely will not budge no matter how hard you scrub. Make a paste with hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Spread it over the burnt areas and let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes. Then scrub with a soft brush and rinse. The peroxide breaks down the carbon residue while the baking soda provides gentle scrubbing power. This works beautifully on stainless steel and glass cookware. Just avoid using it on non-stick coatings. $5 to $8 saved on specialty bakeware cleaners. Number 10, wash your fruits and vegetables more effectively. Add a 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide to a large bowl of cold water. Soak your produce for about 10 to 20 minutes. It helps reduce surface bacteria and some pesticide residues through a gentle oxidation process. The FDA recognizes hydrogen peroxide as safe for this use. Just make sure you rinse everything very thoroughly under cold running water afterward. That step is important. $5 to $8 saved on those fancy commercial produce washes, and you know exactly what is going on your food. Nothing but a little peroxide and water. Number 9, whiten grout and tile. Mix hydrogen peroxide and baking soda into a thick paste. Apply it to your grout lines with an old toothbrush. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then scrub and rinse. The transformation is honestly incredible. You will not believe the difference. It works on ceramic and porcelain tile. If you have colored grout, do a small test spot first because it can lighten it slightly. The first time I tried this in my own bathroom, I genuinely thought my grout was supposed to be gray. Turns out it was actually white the whole time, just hiding under years of buildup. I felt so silly. $6 to $10 saved on grout cleaners. And it works just as well, if not better than the expensive ones. Number 8, disinfect your makeup brushes and beauty tools. Soak your brushes, tweezers, and nail clippers in a mixture of equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and let them air dry completely before using them again. This kills bacteria and fungi that build up over time and can cause breakouts and skin irritation. $8 to $12 saved on those professional brush cleaner solutions. Your skin will absolutely thank you for keeping those tools properly clean. Number 7, remove mold and mildew from your shower. Or hydrogen peroxide into a dark spray bottle. This is important. It needs to be a dark or opaque bottle because light breaks down the peroxide and makes it less effective over time. Spray generously on any moldy areas in your shower. You will see it start bubbling right away. That bubbling is the oxygen actively breaking down the mold at the cellular level. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then scrub with a soft brush and wipe clean. For stubborn spots, just repeat the process a second time. Make sure you wear gloves and keep the bathroom well ventilated when you do this. Open a window or turn on the exhaust fan. $5 to $8 saved on mold and mildew sprays and no harsh chemical fumes. We are over halfway through now, and honestly, the biggest money savers are still coming up. These next ones are going to genuinely surprise you. Number 6, sanitize retainers, mouth guards, and dentures. Soak your dental appliance in equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water for 15 to 30 minutes. It kills bacteria and breaks down the plaque and food residue that builds up over time. Rinse very thoroughly with clean water before putting it back in your mouth. That step is absolutely essential. Do not skip it. $5 to $8 saved per box of denture cleaning tablets, and it works just as well to keep things fresh and hygienic. Number 5, remove pet stains and odors from your carpet. If you have pets, you know exactly what I am talking about. First, blot up the fresh mess as much as you possibly can, then sprinkle baking soda generously over the entire area. Mix half a cup of hydrogen peroxide with 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Pour it over the baking soda and gently work it into the carpet fibers with a soft brush. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then blot with a clean towel and vacuum when it is completely dry. The peroxide actually neutralizes the uric acid crystals that cause that lingering pet smell. Always spot test your carpet first in a hidden area. Peroxide can lighten colored carpets, but for most standard synthetic carpets, it works beautifully. $8 to $15 saved compared to enzymatic pet stain removers, and this actually eliminates the smell completely rather than just covering it up with fragrance. That is a huge difference. The peroxide gets rid of the odor at the source. Your nose and your wallet will both thank you. Before we get to the top 4, if you are enjoying these practical money-saving tips, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I share new tips just like these every single week, and I would love to have you here. Turn on those notifications so you never miss one. Now let us get into the really big ones. These last 4 will save you the most money of all. Number 4, whiten yellowed whites without bleach. Add 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide to the bleach dispenser in your washing machine, or pour it directly into the drum. Then wash your whites on a warm cycle as usual. Hydrogen peroxide is a gentle, natural oxidizing agent. It breaks down the organic compounds that cause that stubborn yellow tinge in white shirts, sheets, and towels. Unlike chlorine bleach, it is much gentler on fabric fibers, so your clothes actually last longer while still coming out brilliantly white. Back when my kids were small and money was tight, this was one of my best kept laundry secrets. White school shirts stayed white all year long without me ever buying those expensive bleach alternatives. $5 to $8 saved on OxiClean and ColorSafe bleach products. Just remember, never mix it with regular chlorine bleach in the same load. Number 3, remove stubborn stains like blood, wine, and sweat marks. Apply hydrogen peroxide directly to the stain. For really tough ones, mix 2 parts peroxide with 1 part dish soap and apply that mixture. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then blot with a clean cloth and wash as you normally would. Hydrogen peroxide is absolutely exceptional at breaking down protein-based and organic stains. It literally breaks apart the molecules causing the discoloration at a chemical level. Always test on a hidden spot first. Especially with colored fabrics, it can lighten dark materials, but for white and light fabrics, it is absolutely incredible. $5 to $10 saved on stain remover sprays. And it works on those old set-in stains that nothing else seems to be able to touch. Number 2, rescue dying, overwatered plants. Now this one genuinely surprised me when I first learned about it. I had no idea hydrogen peroxide could do this. If you have ever overwatered a houseplant and watched it slowly wilt and turn yellow, that is usually root rot. The roots are literally suffocating because the soil is completely waterlogged. Mix 1 teaspoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide per cup of water. Then water the affected plant with this diluted solution. Here is the beautiful science behind it. Hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. When it breaks down in the soil, it releases that extra oxygen atom directly into the waterlogged roots. That oxygen aerates the suffocating roots and kills the anaerobic fungi, causing the rot. It is like giving your drowning plant a breath of fresh air. A neighbor taught me this trick years ago, and I honestly thought she was pulling my leg. But it saved my favorite peace lily that I had completely given up on. I could not believe it actually worked. You can save a $5 to $30 plant. Instead of throwing it away and buying a new one, just always dilute it. Never pour full-strength peroxide on your plants. And finally, number 1, this is the big one I promised at the very beginning would completely blow your mind. Brighten and completely restore yellowed pillows. Go grab one of your pillows right now and take off the pillowcase. Go ahead, I will wait. I am willing to bet it is yellow. That yellowing comes from years of sweat, body oils, and drool soaking deep into the fabric and padding. It happens to every single pillow eventually. Most people look at those yellow pillows and just throw them straight in the trash and buy new ones. But here is what you should do instead. Fill your bathtub or a large basin with hot water. Add 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide and half a cup of baking soda. Then soak your pillows in there for 1 to 2 hours. After soaking, wash them in your machine on a hot cycle with another half cup of hydrogen peroxide. Then dry them completely and thoroughly. That part is important to prevent any mildew. The first time I did this, I genuinely could not believe my eyes. Pillows I was about ready to throw in the garbage came out looking like I had just bought them brand new from the store. Instead of spending $15 to $30 replacing a set of pillows, you restore them for just pennies. That is the single biggest money saver on this entire list. So there you have it, 18 genius uses for that little $1 bottle of hydrogen peroxide sitting in your medicine cabinet. If you add it all up, this one tiny bottle can replace $50 to $100 worth of cleaning and household products every single year, all for about $1. And here is one last bonus thought. Unlike bleach, hydrogen peroxide breaks down into just plain water and oxygen. No toxic residue, no harsh fumes, no damage to the environment. It is one of the cleanest cleaners you can possibly use. Which of these 18 uses will you try first? And did I miss one you absolutely swear by? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one of them. If you enjoyed this kind of practical, no-nonsense tip that actually saves you real money, I have plenty more videos just like this on my channel. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new one. I share tips like these every week. YouTube thinks you are really going to enjoy this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.